Y'all sleeping on them Volvos. I didn't used to like them either, but I like them Volvos. They got a lot of cool little features. And this an old one. The new ones, man, monster, beast. You know, only thing I can say, it don't got no power. This one don't got no power going up here when I'm loaded. But it got 880,000 miles, so it almost got 1 million miles on it. But empty, this bad boy be flying down the freeway. But the new ones, this is like a 2012. The paperwork say 2007, but the new Volvos, man, them are clean. And see this hood on there, it's real short. So you can turn in tight spaces real good. You can get out of tight spaces. And that's one thing I like. So all in all, I'm a Volvo fan now. This is the first one I drove, but I can tell you what, if I had $190,000, I would go buy me a 2024. It's that good. They that good. All right, let's black this out, folks. Talk to you later.